just getting ready to start walking the trails in our neighborhood. Should be a fun hike with Oskar. Alright, so one little patch of woods down, small little hike through there. It's kind of cool. Oscar's wanting to kind of stop and smell everything today. But he's being good. He's a good boy. It's Oscar's big afternoon adventure. We were just here a couple weeks ago on bicycles. This is where we saw the black snake. And I got to tell you, if I'd have known this rut was that deep, I would have definitely steered clear of it. Wow. Losing sunlight. Well, we're almost home. I really do hope everyone liked my Oskar hike video here. It's our little Oskar adventure. Leave a comment if you liked it. Let me know. I'll do more dog hiking videos if you like. Since you made it this far, go ahead and click like on this video, subscribe to my channel. Keep on adventuring. See you soon.